Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing my new camera. It is the Canon EOS M50. I am so excited. I finally, kind of splurged a little bit, got myself a new camera because I wasn't very happy with the Sony a5100. So if you would like to see my little unboxing here, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so here it is. It is so freaking pretty. I decided to go with all black this time. My Sony is actually in white, but I decided to go with all black. I don't really get the Sony dirty, like it's not like brown and disgusting, but I don't know, for some reason this camera looked way more slick in black, so I went with the black one. And it is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. This is the kit lens that it comes with, and then it also comes with obviously a battery, the battery charger, the manual, and the strap. So let's go ahead and attach this lens to the camera. Okay, so it is now attached. So the little battery is oh my gosh, what is it called? The battery, where you put the battery to make the camera work. It is right on the bottom, so I'm just going to insert the battery. I'm also going to put an SD card in here as well. I did purchase this little bundle on, I believe, Amazon. It was 128 gigabyte and a 64 gigabyte, so I decided to just buy the bundle. It was a little bit cheaper. Everything that I purchased either on Amazon or actually on Best Buy is where I actually got my camera, I will link down below. You'll be able to just find it down below and it'll make it really easy for you. I'm gonna open up probably the 64. I guess I'm just gonna rip the entire box open. Card. So I like that it actually comes in this little tiny plastic case, because I'm probably gonna put it back in there later so it doesn't get all messed up. Let's go ahead and put this baby inside. Okay. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy that I went with the black. So also it has the flip out screen, so I can flip it towards me, and if I wanted to obviously film me, I can do that. Yeah, let me go ahead and turn it on. Okay, I am going to turn on the camera. Sorry if the lighting is changing, I'm losing light outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Oh my gosh, this camera is so much more clear than this one. Okay, so I'm gonna start recording. Oh, I think it's recording in 4K. Okay, so I'm not really sure how to change it. I'm gonna switch sides. Okay, so I'm not really sure how to change it right now, but I'll figure it out at some point. But obviously I can tell that the camera quality is way clearer than this camera, which is the Sony that I'm recording on, and then obviously from the Canon. I really like it. I think like the color and everything just looks so much better. There is some settings that I do want to change it to from like just the regular settings that it comes with. I watch, what's her name, Catherine, I don't know her last name, but I'll link her channel down below. She has been a huge help in my YouTube channel, what camera I should get. She actually has this camera. I love the quality of her videos. I love the color of her videos. So I'm gonna basically put my settings just like hers, but I will do that and you'll see it, eventually when I start filming using this camera. But right now I'm using a tripod, which I got on Amazon, and I will link that down below as well. But yeah, so far I really like this camera. It's so clear, the quality is so crisp, and it's such an upgrade from the Sony. And although the Sony is my, come in. Okay, so I was interrupted. But yes, so clearly I am going to change some settings on here. I feel like I don't know what camera to talk to now, but I am going to be changing some settings on my Canon, and then hopefully I can get the picture quality that she has, because her picture quality and her videos are freaking amazing. And I'm so grateful for her, because she has given me the most information I've ever gotten out of a video for my YouTube, and how to grow and the things that I need to be doing. And I'm just, oh, she's a lifesaver. Her channel is amazing, so I will link it down below so you can go and follow her, subscribe to her channel, and follow her on Instagram. But yes, so this is the camera quality so far. And then I do want to, I think I'm going to now switch over from my Sony to the Canon and just do a little bit of test runs. So I will be right back. So we are outside now. Okay, I'm gonna come right up to this window. Okay, it takes a little bit, but not bad. Also, can we talk about this makeup look? I love it. If you want a tutorial on this look, give this video a thumbs up and I will be sure to do that. I'm sorry if I'm looking to my right, because obviously the viewfinder comes out to the side instead of up like on the Sony, so I have to get used to not looking at myself, because it's very obvious that I am, but something to get used to. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back onto my Sony and finish up this video, but hopefully you guys got a gist of the exposures and stuff like that, and how it autofocuses, because it does autofocus really quickly, which is always a good thing, especially for the type of videos that I make. But I'm gonna go back on my Sony and finish up this video. I also forgot, this is just the camera audio, so I am testing out just the camera, the audio that comes with the camera. I did buy a Rode microphone. This is the Video Micro Compact on-camera microphone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the camera, and we're gonna test it out a little bit and see the quality difference of the audio. Okay, so I'm back on the Sony. I wanted to do a little unboxing. Well, I kind of already did a little bit, but of the Rode microphone that I bought to go with my Canon. I like the way this one looks. So on the inside, obviously this is the fluffy microphone, which this is basically why I got this one, because I think it's cute. And then this is the stand that it goes on, and then along with the little thing to plug it into the camera. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this. All right, so it's attached. So now I take out this little thing on the camera, and then you unscrew. I had to look this up because I didn't know. So you're gonna unscrew this, and then, can you see me? Slide it and twist, and it tightens and locks onto it. The only thing I don't like is like that bothers me, but whatever, it's fine. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right on the side right here. So now I have the Rode microphone connected. I'm hoping, I mean, obviously I can't tell right now, but I'm hoping that the audio sounds better, because I spent money on this microphone to have better audio. So this is just like a little test run. Hopefully it all works out, so that way when I'm editing I don't have to fix anything, because that would be annoying. But yes, so I think it's really cute. The camera looks really official with it. You can probably see it on my Sony, because I am filming on my Sony. But yeah, so hopefully this audio sounds good. We'll do more tests obviously when I start filming other videos with this camera, but this is the first video. So yeah, back to my Sony. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I am losing light, so I'm trying to end it really quick, But so far I love this camera. I'm so glad that I chose this one. There was a few other options, but I'm really glad that I went with this one. I do have some playing around with the settings to do, and I will be doing that soon. Well, probably today, because I want to have all the settings set for my next video. Okay guys, so this is the last time you will be seeing this picture quality, but I am finally going to be switching over to my camera, and I'm really excited about it. Yeah, so if you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time that I post. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you've had a blessed day, and if you haven't, there's still time to make it one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.